Hi guys. So what do we have here? So today we have the colorful iGame RTX 3070 Ultra OC, the non-white edition. So the first thing that catches your eyes probably is the color on the box, the printing on the box. So usually Nvidia is actually pretty anal about the color, the green color to be exact. So with colorful, they have this holographic effect printed on their boxes. So it doesn't just do it on the front, they do it all over the boxes. The back as well, so actually it looks pretty good. I'm not sure why other brands doesn't do it. But anyways, let's crack open the box and I'll use a pair of scissors. But I'm not gonna cut the box open, obviously, because this is not sponsored by Colorful. I hope it will be though. So let me open it up real carefully. Actually no, just chuck it away. Okay, so in contrast with the Gigabyte unboxing that we did, there's no branding on the inner box. So that's a shame, but to be honest, no one cares. Everyone's gonna go through this box in 2 seconds. Inside, once you open it up, there's gonna be like a velvety foam that's nice to touch. A lot of foam to keep the card in place. The card's actually pretty huge. So 3 fans as well, similar to the 3080 gaming OC from Gigabyte that we saw earlier. All right, let's get the card out, chuck away the box. All right, the card itself, guys. So as you can see, the color is actually pretty eye-catching. Really unique design. So 3 fans, pretty thick heatsink. You can see a lot of solid caps inside the card. There's actually 4 heat pipes. So the thing is, so the camera ran out of battery, so I had to stop the battery obviously, but I'm back. Okay, so the card right here, I'm not sure if you noticed it, but the card is actually not like the usual Nvidia cards where they have a blow-through design with a cutout right here for the fan to blow through the heatsink and then generate a better, what do you call it, airflow throughout the case. I've tested this card myself. The thermals are actually pretty good. It holds around 75, 76 degrees in a room ambient of 25, 26. So that's actually pretty good, considering the card is actually very affordable. Oh yeah, so the special thing about colorful cards is that most of them have a OC button right here. So a satisfying click. So it doesn't do much as far as I know. So it should be quite similar to the one that we found on the 3080 Gigabyte gaming OC. So it actually swapped the BIOS in the card and it doesn't apply until you restart your computer. So don't be alarmed when you press it and you think that nothing happened, because you have to restart your computer to make it happen. So what it does, as far as I know, it unlocks the power limit of the card. So you can potentially overclock it slightly higher than factory. But personally, I don't think that's actually worth it. The most you can get is about 50 to 100 megahertz, and that's what, 1 to 3% performance bump that might cause your card to die faster. Nah, I don't think that's worth it. So what you do with this card is you buy it, you plug it in your computer, and then you use it like any other normal person would do. There's actually 4 ports at the back. So we have 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. So 1 HDMI and 3 display ports. Okay, and then we have 2 8-pin PCIe connectors for power. And you guys are probably wondering where's the RGB on this card. Okay, so there is some RGB on this card. It's actually right here. So it's gonna lit up and it's gonna show the iGame logo, and you can actually adjust it with the iGame Center software. The software is actually pretty good, even better than Gigabyte's RGB Fusion, which is, as we all know, it's the worst in the market right now. But yeah, that's about it for the card, I guess. Alright, so stay home, stay safe, and play more games, guys.